We have Sabi this morning helping us out painting. She's saying we're forcing her to work. Yeah. All she do is go and play every day.
Play what?
Play volleyball with her friends and boyfriend.
Friends.
Our friends and boyfriends. Wow, look at that beautiful day. It's so beautiful day. Beautiful day. Huh? You just go slow or else it will just splatter all over you, the paint. So what Sabi's doing, she's trying to cover up first the nail. And then, oh, Isa with some foodie. Foodie, snack time.
That's my deal. Did you hear Greggy come here? Mom, okay na naman, Mom?
Yeah, that'll do. And then the next one, you have to do this side. I think we should have snack first. So Brian's doing the measuring and cutting the fibro, and I do the nailing. So yeah, and then Sabi's doing the painting. Everyone's working, and we have Lando today, the electrician, finishing the work.
Did the girls make Lando something for lunch?
Yeah.
Are you having something?
Yeah. Hi guys, finally home now after a long day working, and we finished work just before 6 o'clock. And yeah, we stopped working because it started raining, and you probably can hear still raining outside. So we did for a bit today and also yesterday. And I'm sorry guys, I didn't say hello, good morning to all of you guys in the beginning of my video. We just get, especially me, I just get too carried away with I gotta go there and work, and yeah, so I haven't covered a lot of videos on what we're doing. Basically we put the Hardiflex, the interior Hardiflex, and also painting it, prime it first with white paint, and then we use the orange. I know it does look like when I kind of almost finished painting, I said to Brian, it does look a little bit like a jail, what do you call that, you know, prison cell, like that. All we need is yellow or orange uniform. So you probably can see why I only painted half of the interior with that orange paint. That is because we are going to put amakan for the top part of the interior, and we already have the amakan. We bought it in Dumaguete. I find their amakan, it's good quality, and you can choose also, and they specialize in bamboos, and they also have other materials there that you want to buy, like a ladder made out of bamboos or sticks, you know, as long as bamboos, they sell it. They've seen also in the shop, they sell also other different kinds of timber or lumber, you call it. So that's where we bought it, and it's only 270 peso. If you're curious, it's only 270 peso. Well, they said it's 280, but then I told them I'm going to buy the whole roll, which is 10 amakan in a roll. So then they gave me a discount of 100 peso. So it cost 2,700 for 10 pieces, and I picked the amakan, which is a little bit darker color, a little bit browny, because that means it's old, and if the amakan is old, then it's not vulnerable to buk, we call it buk. It's a borer that bores inside bamboos to get the starch. They get attracted to starch of the bamboo. So, but then when we open it this afternoon, because Brian wants to treat it, and I find it out, there's only out of 10, there's only 3 that are with a brownie kind of, I would say, like rustic color, because it's or pinkish, not really pinkish, but anyway, you can tell when it's old bamboo, that it's not young. So the rest, the 7 pieces, are a little bit young, you know, which in general it's not as high quality than the brownie color. My gosh, my finger, can you see my finger, guys? Oh no, it's not. It's just a paint. It's just a paint, but it makes it looks really weird. Anyway, I hit my fingers many times for the last few days, and it's bruised. And then today I really had enough. I hit it really hard, and I have to kind of stop. And yeah, I can't use my finger or my hand for nailing again, because I got really scared I might hit my finger again. So then I decided to just do painting, and then Brian felt sorry for me, and he told me his technique, which is I think it would be nice if he had told me earlier than, you know, than now I keep hitting my finger. To avoid that, he showed me how to use the a plier. Just pinch the nail, and you know, like that. So instead of my hands holding it, it's the it's the plier that's holding it while I'm just holding the plier. So that's a very smart thing to do. You know, would be nice if he shared it to me earlier. So that's it for today, guys. I really do hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give us a like. And if you would like to follow our stories constructing here in the Philippines, using some timber, you know, and also saksak and amakan, don't forget to subscribe, guys, and hopefully you would learn some things from my channel. And that's it for now, and I will upload more videos in a few days time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.